Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Car Critic. The Honda Goldwing Electric Tricycle 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious touring EV projects we could see on the road. Honda has always been at the front line of innovation in motorcycles, and moving the Goldwing into the electric age would not only honor the legacy of this legendary model but also bring new life to the world of long-distance travel. The shift to electric power promises smoother rides, instant torque, and a futuristic touring experience that balances comfort and performance in a way gas engines never fully could. One of the most exciting aspects is the expected motor setup. Unlike traditional bikes, this trike would likely use dual or even triple motor configurations to power each wheel. This could deliver immense amounts of torque from 0 RPM, giving riders a thrilling launch off the line. In everyday riding, this would translate into effortless overtaking, smooth hill climbs, and a stable ride regardless of load. The horsepower could easily surpass 120 to 150 horsepower with torque figures that would rival high-performance sports cars, making it a game-changer in the touring trike segment. Battery technology will be at the heart of this machine. Given its size and touring purpose, a large pack between 30 and 40 kWh seems logical. This capacity could support ranges between 250 and 350 km depending on riding style and terrain. Riders on long-distance trips would not have to worry as much about charging if Honda equips the trike with fast DC charging ports, capable of adding hundreds of kilometers of range in less than an hour. Overnight charging at home would still be convenient through a standard AC wall connector. Charging flexibility will be vital for a machine like this. Touring riders often cover hundreds of kilometers in one stretch, so quick turnaround charging is crucial. If Honda supports fast charging up to 150 kilowatts, riders could stop for a meal and return to almost full range before resuming their journey. For urban users, overnight charging at slower speeds will keep the trike ready for daily use without fuss. Regenerative braking will also make a big difference, reclaiming energy during descents or stop-and-go traffic, extending range quietly and efficiently. When it comes to performance, the electric trike will deliver something unique. Instant throttle response is already a defining trait of EVs, but combined with three-wheel stability, it will offer unmatched confidence at low and high speeds. The projected top speed of around 160 to 200 km per hour ensures highway cruising will feel effortless. Acceleration could rival performance sedans, with a 0 to 100 km per hour time around 4 seconds. For a heavy touring trike, that's remarkable and something gas engines would struggle to achieve without massive displacement. The handling experience will be equally interesting. With two wheels at the front and one at the back, the setup will deliver stability in corners while keeping the ride comfortable on long highways. The weight of the battery will increase the overall curb weight, but Honda's engineering will likely position the pack low in the frame to maintain balance. Riders will appreciate a planted, predictable feel in sharp turns, while touring comfort remains a top priority. The suspension system will likely be advanced, absorbing rough surfaces with ease. Comfort is a Goldwing trademark, and the electric version would only enhance this. Expect plush seating for both rider and passenger, adjustable windscreen, heated grips, and climate-friendly add-ons like heated or cooled seats. The absence of engine vibrations and noise will make long journeys calmer, letting riders enjoy the scenery or onboard entertainment features. The digital dashboard will provide everything from range estimates to navigation and music controls, creating a cockpit that feels more like a luxury car than a motorcycle. Design will remain true to the Goldwing legacy while embracing the EV future. Aerodynamic fairings will guide airflow efficiently, while LED light strips and modern headlamps will give it a sharp, futuristic face. The large panniers and trunk will ensure storage remains a priority, as no touring trike is complete without the ability to carry luggage for long adventures. The bodywork will seamlessly integrate battery compartments without sacrificing the flowing, majestic look that Goldwing fans love. From a pricing standpoint, the trike will not come cheap. With high battery costs, advanced electronics, and premium build quality, the estimated price could range between $40,000 and $60,000 depending on trim levels and specifications. This would place it well above the gas-powered Goldwing, but for riders seeking cutting-edge technology, silent operation, and environmental benefits, the investment will make sense. Honda has always balanced pricing carefully, so expect multiple variants with different battery capacities and features. Release timing is still speculative, but industry watchers believe late 2025 or early 2026 could be realistic. Honda has been experimenting with electric motorcycles in smaller segments, and expanding into a flagship like the Goldwing would demonstrate their readiness to lead in the premium touring market. Early prototypes or concept models may appear first at major auto and motorcycle shows before final production begins. Once launched, it will likely target markets in the US, Europe, and Japan where touring motorcycles have strong demand. For riders, the benefits go beyond performance numbers. Maintenance will be far lower without oil changes, exhaust systems, or traditional fuel components. The quiet ride will make long-distance trips more relaxing and eco-friendly, with no tailpipe emissions. The three-wheel stance will also attract older riders or those who want stability without giving up the thrill of motorcycle touring. Combined with Honda's reputation for reliability, the Goldwing electric tricycle could become the benchmark for future touring EVs. In the end, the 2025 Honda Goldwing electric tricycle represents more than just another electric bike. It signals the evolution of touring itself, combining luxury, performance, stability, and sustainability. Riders will be stepping into a new era where technology enhances freedom on the open road. While challenges such as charging infrastructure and initial pricing remain, the vision of a fully electric Goldwing is something enthusiasts can look forward to with excitement. This could be the machine that changes how the world sees long-distance motorcycle travel. Do you want me to make this into a single continuous script with no separation at all, so it reads like one flowing narration for a video voiceover?